Tom, we know the National Construction Code changes come into effect in the next few months here. So tell us, how is CS Cavity Sliders ensuring your product is fit to standard?
CS Cavity Sliders are making sure we are fully prepared for the changes to accessibility in the upcoming standards. With our cavity sliders, they can be easily specified as being disabled compliant by specifying the easy open. In this product, the door protrudes the necessary amount when open to allow accessibility of hardware and must be a certain width depending on the standards required to be achieved, be it the Australian standards, Livable Housing Australia or other appropriate codes.
Excellent. So if you're looking for a quality product that's adhering to code, come and see the CS Cavity Sliders showroom here at the Build and Design Centre 7 days a week.